Hey guys, we're at Coda.
Hey guys, it's Living Like Gray.
How many followers do you have?
Shut up.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Chiron thing is actually sick.
Oh my gosh.
Oscar, yeah.
Look how beautiful that is. That is so hot. Where'd it go?
Oh, it's right.
We have to go all the way back to La R because that's where our media passes are.
That was a silly freaking gift.
I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. Alright, so we got... I'm gonna show that. We got the the media pass. Now we're going to go to parking. You got a parking pass?
Yeah, I put it on.
We're getting closer. We're like at the closest lot. We have to go down here, right? So sick. Dude, I didn't realize this was carbon fiber. Guys, we low-key realized it's a wrap. You can see like around the headlight. It's such a nice R8. Oh my god. I was probably the most excited for this car. Have to be an Audi fan if I own an Audi, so. This is my favorite car. Forget the R8. I like this. I mean, I did see it online, but seeing it in person is so much different. Okay, let's do a little walkthrough of all the GT3s. So cool. I don't know. I keep seeing new ones show up and I'm like, that's my favorite, that's my favorite. But honestly, they're all so cool. But I'd go with the R8 or the BMW, I think. I love this livery. What?
That's my favorite.
Sure. I was gonna put it in the trash can, but I don't see a trash can.
Bruh.
Let's get up close to this. What the heck? That is so sick. If only I was good at math. Engineering. I just think that's so beautiful. That is so cool. You can see everything. You can literally see everything. Yeah. Should ask them for food or something. Just kidding.
Can I get a snack?
Just real quick. I'm Cars by Kendall, you know. Just kidding. Oh my god. It's so satisfying watching them work on it.
What's the other one?
Oh, that's so clean. Wow. Oh, oh, you can see them. They're doing their stuff up there.
Grayson.
We don't really have any of them here this weekend. We're only going to see
We just got these drinks from the eBoost booth. It's actually really good, I'm not gonna lie.
It's the podium.
I can actually finally talk, and I've got my water. I'm trying to stay hydrated because I will pass out if I don't. We're in the pit lane. It's so cool. Check this out. For Tech Sport. I want to interview one of the co-owners of Tech Sport. And it's just awesome seeing all of this trackside. We're just waiting on the food because we want to eat, and then we're gonna go to the McLaren paddock. Excuse me, I mean tech sport. I'm running in the yellow Viper, he's running in the blue, so this is so sick. It was so cool to be in the front alongside the SP3 and the LaFerrari. I think it's so funny that they use the Cybertrucks as the like roller cars for it, but it was so cool, such an awesome experience, and got to know the owner a little bit. That is awesome. I cannot believe I just... So I'm with Christography and we're at this other meet, but I didn't get a chance to film the outro for the last video because my phone died. Thank you guys for watching.